you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna walk you through at this point what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna take her braid down and then I'm gonna crochet the first spring twist a couple of inches, maybe an inch away from the root. And this is just gonna be the base to make it a little bit fuller. You can add 2 of these if you want it to be way thicker than what I've been doing, but I will call this like a medium to medium sized lock. And the parts are medium as well. So now I'm just gonna take in the first crochet hair that's closer to the root. I'm not doing it in the root because I kind of want her to be able to move her locks on the first day. So I'm gonna make the right side longer than the left side, and I'm gonna wrap the left side loosely around the base. Now I'm gonna begin taking the main piece and wrapping it around the root. I do this about 1 to 3 times. It just depends on how I'm feeling. And then I'm going to continue to do that diagonally downwards. And I don't know, when you do it diagonally, I just feel like it's more secure. And you also want to fluff out your spring twist hair, because if you just do it naturally coming out of the pack, it's not going to look like a lock at all. It's just going to look like, I don't know, like curls. So to form the loop, I'm just going to take my thumb and separate a small piece, and then I'm going to wrap that hair above my thumb, then wrap it back under just to secure that loop, and keep going downward until I feel like I want to do another loop. So now I think I'm going to do one right here. Slowly just taking a piece with my thumb, wrapping it above my thumb, then under, and just repeating these same steps until I'm done doing loops.
Sometime, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it.
So I definitely feel like I need to work on my length, but I'm just going to show you guys how to secure the ends. So I make sure I match it up with the rest of the locks that I have done already, and then I'm going to flip the end of her lock and wrap up Like, you kind of just have to watch that, but you have to like kind of be a little tight with your hands, just grip tightly so that the lock is secure.
So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it again. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, have you. I don't want to